Interested in the suite life? Hey y'all, it's Koala bringing you quality cruise content, and today we're going to be looking at the 1-bedroom grand suite on board the Oasis of the Seas. Now, before we get into it, I do want to show you the suite lounge. The suite lounge is something you have access to when you book a suite. There are a lot of amenities, there are a lot of perks to being in a suite. Now on the Oasis class, the suite lounge is a little bit different. It's going to have something called Coastal Kitchen, which I'll show you in a second. Why should you book a suite? There are a lot of perks. You have a private bar in the suite lounge. You're going to have access to drinks. You're also going to have some food options too, just little bites. You're going to have that in the morning if you want to make your own breakfast, toast some bagels too. They have a little toaster that you can use, and even some bites in the afternoon and the evening. Now on the other side of the suite lounge, here's Coastal Kitchen. It is a private dining experience only available to suite guests. They're gonna have a different menu every single night, so if you want to eat here every single night, you can without having the same food over and over again. It's a really nice experience. The food is really good. One of my favorite restaurants on board the ship, actually. Say it's the evening and the bars are crowded, you can just head on up and get your own drink. Alright, so here is the suite. Like I said, it is 1 bedroom. There is a 2-bedroom version too, which hopefully in a future video I can show you. So let's first start with the bathroom. It's a really nice spacious bathroom actually. You're gonna have a bathtub as well as a shower. The bathtub is actually contoured, which is nice for laying down comfortably. There is a shaver outlet at the top of the ceiling. Next, you're gonna have the wet bar and the closet. Of course, you're gonna have the safe. The safe actually has an outlet on the inside, so if you want to charge anything, it's a great opportunity. The wet bar area does have a lot of storage options. You're gonna find a lot of drawers, and there's another outlet here too that you can use to charge your electronics. Now it does come with a sofa. This can be made into a sofa bed if you want to. However, if you do this, the furniture is going to be put in such a way that it's going to be a little bit hard to maneuver around the room. So that is just a warning for you. There is a nice vanity area. Behind the mirrors are actually shelves as well, and you have plenty of drawers too, as well as more outlets, of course. So make sure to bring an adapter if you are going to be charging a lot of technology. Here is the bed. You're going to have those side cabinets too. Now here is the balcony. I will say comfortably about 2 people at a time. It is a bit narrow, but it is long, so you do have a little bit of space. You have a nice amount of chairs here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bon voyage.